and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Daria. I'm an artist and I paint on clothes. And this is my mannequin. I named him Brett and he helps me to create art fashion. So guys, I didn't plan to make this video, but I was organizing my closet this week and I found old pair of jeans, which I'm not wearing anymore, because I get bored of them. So what we do with old jeans which we don't wear anymore and which we get bored of? No, we don't throw them away, because do you know that it takes about 6,000 liters of water to create one pair of jeans? And I've made video in which, in a very artistic way, I explained all the situation about water and fashion industry. Please watch this video to help me spread this message. I will put the link to the description below. So we don't throw them away, we customize them. We turn them into the piece of art, we give a new life to them. So in this video we will make pop art on jeans, because pop art is fun, pop art is cool, pop art is easy, everybody can make it. So for painting you need jeans, which you were about to throw away but like you're watching this video, fabric paints, video about paints you can find in the description below, and brushes. So let's get started. And here are the jeans which I will paint on, and I will paint speech bubbles on them. And I will paint them freehand, but you should take paper and you should paint them on paper first. Then you should take carbon paper, white color carbon paper for black jeans and black color for light color jeans, and you will transfer these bubbles to the jeans. And I will paint now with white paint these speech bubbles on jeans, and also I will paint a couple of hearts and stars. And now I will create an undercoat, because I paint on the dark color jeans, but if you will paint on the light color jeans you don't need to create it. And I fill in all these bubbles with white paint. And I dry the undercoat with hairdryer. And here are the colors I will use, bright pop art colors. But first I will write with pencil phrases inside of these bubbles, these pop art phrases like wow, boom, what, oh. And now I will paint them with colors. And now again I use hairdryer, because it's important to let each layer dry, and then I will outline phrase and I will put little dots on the speech bubble. And if you will paint on the light color jeans you will have to outline speech bubble too, but I don't outline because I paint on the dark color jeans. And in the same way I paint all other speech bubbles, but of course using different colors. So as you can see, to make pop art is not hard. You don't need to create some complicated colors, you don't need to blend colors, you just fill in some areas with pure colors and outline, and it's so easy. And I think that pop art designs are the best designs for the beginners who want to customize their clothes but who don't have much experience. It's fun, it's easy, and pop art looks so cool on clothes. So guys, write me in the comments below, would you like to see more pop art on my channel? Would you like me to create more pop art clothes DIY videos? Write me, and if you wish, I will create more. And now I will use hard brush, you can use toothbrush. For splattering, I want to make these jeans a bit more artistic and fun, so I splatter red paint, green paint, yellow paint. Also, I make a couple of brush strokes. And I decided to add a bit more hearts and stars. And painting is finished. So guys, you can paint such design not only on jeans, but on the back of a denim jacket, on a leather jacket, on a t-shirt, on a sweatshirt, on a hoodie, on a cap, on a bag. So many options you have, and it's so fun and it's easy. So guys, smash this like button if you like this video and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the message about art fashion. If you are new here, subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos like this. And I hope to see you on the next video. Fashion is art. Bye bye.